Greetings. We trust that this finds you well wherever you are. This is an official statement from Jubilee Christian Church, together with the family of Bishop ALLAN and Reverend KIUNA. It is with heartfelt condolences that today we announce our beloved Bishop ALLAN KIUNA has gone to be with the Lord. Bishop ALLAN KIUNA, the General Overseer and founder of Jubilee Christian Church, was an extraordinary man who touched the lives of many and had a great passion for ministering not just locally but globally. His unwavering faith, compassion, and dedication to the church and community have left an indelible mark on all who knew him. He was not only a spiritual leader, but also a loving husband, a loving father, a loving grandfather, and a loving friend. As a church and as a family, we appreciate the outpouring of love and support, especially from our church family, and we kindly request some privacy as we go through this challenging time of mourning and reflection. More information will be provided regarding funeral arrangements in the coming days. We are organizing services to honor Bishop ALLAN KIUNA's memory and legacy. And for that purpose, from Wednesday, the 10th of July, to Friday, the 12th of July this year, evening services will be held at JCC Parklands from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And on Saturday, the 13th of July, we shall have another service which will be held from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then on Sunday, the 14th of July, a special worship service will take place starting at 9 a.m. And so today, we welcome you to join us in praying for the family and church at large. With humility, we kindly ask for privacy during this time of mourning. Please let us respect the family's need for space and quiet reflection. Thank you for the love and support once again, and God bless you all. Regards from the Jubilee Christian Church fraternity and from the family of Bishop ALLAN and Reverend KIUNA. God bless you.